Good morning. Today we are going to introduce a new chemist. He is Dr. Glenn T. Seaborg, who is one of the remarkable and influential chemists in the 20th century.
Dr. Glenn T. Seaborg was born in 1912 in Michigan and went to Los Angeles at the age of 10. He graduated in the University of California and worked in nuclear chemistry at Berkeley as his graduate work and successfully received a PhD. He joined the faculty at Berkeley as an instructor in 1939. Dr. Seaborg contributed his life to the research of the radiochemical synthesis and the characterization of elements. He and his co-workers discovered many elements that can be used in research, medicine, and industry. His work was significant. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1951 and many other rewards such as the Nation Medal of Science. He also played an important role in the conclusion in banning the test of nuclear weapon testing in the atmosphere in the Partial Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. He remained active in research, education, and public service until his death in February 1999.
We can see that he contributed a lot towards the world science as well as to the general public. In the world science, especially in chemistry, he had discovered a lot of elements, such as curium, berkelium, californium, actinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, plutonium, seaborgium, and anilhaxium. They are useful for science research. His work reveals the excitement of scientific discovery and a look into the mysterious world of nuclear science. Moreover, he and his co-workers had expanded the table of nucleus, which is also known as the isotope table, and he has spent a lifetime on the characterization of elements. Furthermore, he had contributed a lot in the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project is the design and test of nuclear bomb by the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. The bomb was used in the Second World War. Also, this is a large step not only in chemistry, but also in physics. Last but not least, he cared a lot about the education for the young people and the future scientists. He often went to high schools to search for talented students and carried out a lot of projects and programs for students in the past. He once said, the education of young people in science is at least as important, maybe more so, than the research itself, in the Time magazine.
He did not only contribute in science but to the general public as well. As mentioned, he played an important role in the conclusion of banning the testing of nuclear weapon testing in the atmosphere in the Partial Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. This greatly protects the well-being of citizens around the world from being contaminated by nuclear radioactivity. Moreover, he discovered radioisotopes which are used to treat millions of cancer patients, and he, with the help of his co-workers, discovered a number of radioisotopes that had become the workhorse for nuclear medicine. Finally, he contributed to the aspect of industry. His research of nuclear increased the interest of the general public towards atomic power, also known as nuclear power. Everyone knows that without passion and enthusiasm, you can hardly do well. Dr. Seaborg was passionate and enthusiastic to his work and towards his research. He never retired and never got bored of his work. He kept on doing research and kept on working. He worked for most of his life and never gives up. He worked after he graduated for the days before he passed away. Most of us may just retire after we have earned enough money or when we are tired. But Dr. Seaborg never retired or got tired with his research and work. He kept working and doing researches, even though his work was already recognized. If he did not have that passion, he would never have succeeded, and we would never have nuclear power and medicine to treat a lot of diseases.
This is the end of the introduction of Dr. Glenn T. Seaborg. Hope you have a deeper understanding on the discovery of nuclear power. Thank you.